PLK DTF printer A3 XP600 is designed to deliver speed, reliability, and exceptional quality in one powerful package. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the best price. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, this printer is built for productivity and convenience. The XP600 printhead at the heart of this system prints at 500 mm superscript 2 per second, twice as fast as older models like the L1800 and L805. That speed comes with stunning detail thanks to a crisp 2880 by 1440 dpi resolution. You'll get bold, vibrant prints with every job, ensuring professional-grade results your customers will love. Plus, with the included 2-year ink supply, 5 250 milliliters bottles of ink and 500 g of DTF powder shipped bi-monthly, you'll cut operating costs dramatically and keep production rolling without interruption. Setup is a breeze. The included laptop comes pre-configured with all necessary software and drivers, meaning you can plug in and start printing immediately. There's no technical headache, no delays, just streamlined, efficient startup. Even ink setup is simplified with a one-click loading system that eliminates mess and saves time. Maintenance has also been taken care of. The PLK XP600 features an automatic white ink stirring and circulation system. This keeps ink from settling and prevents clogs, extending the printhead's life and minimizing downtime. Combine that with an auto-cleaning function, and you get reliable, low-maintenance operation day in and day out. Efficiency doesn't stop there. The built-in paper cutter ensures every DTF film is cut cleanly and accurately, boosting workflow while reducing the need for manual trimming. And with a smart touchscreen interface, navigation and adjustments are simple and intuitive, giving you full control at your fingertips without complexity. All these features make the PLK DTF printer a top choice for apparel entrepreneurs looking to produce high-quality, vibrant prints at scale without the hassle. It's fast, reliable, and packed with thoughtful features designed to make your printing operation smooth and profitable. For the best deal on this full-featured DTF printer, including the printer, oven, and laptop bundle, be sure to click the link in the description below. You said